Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Ryanair flight 6493 on this Boeing 737-800 MAX. Today we will be departing from Doha Hamad Airport all the way to Princess Juliana Airport. So I'm going to start up the engines, and I hope you'll enjoy this flight. We have about an hour in. It's only about an hour, so it won't take as long. Hope you'll enjoy. Please sit back and relax. Temperatures over there looking quite good, quite sunny. About 15 knots of crosswinds though, but we should be in for a safe and smooth flight. I hope you'll enjoy, and we will start our pushback. Please listen out for the safety features as well if you want, because it's very important. If we crash, it's over. But most likely we will not crash, so hope you'll enjoy. Sit back and relax. If you have any questions as well, please comment down below if you want to see more of these. I like flying Ryanair, it's my favourite airline pretty much. Comment down below as well, what's your favourite airline? I'm intrigued to know. Now we're going to taxi our way. This is the cockpit, as you can see. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So flight won't be as long, but it'll be nice. It's worth it. Okay. Make sure to sit back and relax, everyone. Please enjoy the amazing views when we take off in the air. Just almost at the runway. So yeah, as you can see, about 15 knots of crosswind. Shouldn't be as bad, but we can make it. We can do it. Onto the runway. Runway 34R. That's it. Here we are. Just gonna wait for ATC to let us know that we can take off. Alright, we are here and ready for takeoff. Let's do this. Full throttle, flaps up, spurs up. Rotate at about 150 I'll show you guys a bit of the inside cockpit and out of the outside. Okay, it's time to take off. V1 rotates. Gear up. Gear up. About 38,000 steps away is Juliana Airport. That's where I'm heading at. So I hope you're enjoying the safe flight. Comment down below your favorite airline as well, My favourites, I like Airbus A320 with like Emirates and that. And I also like Boeing 737 like Ryanair. They're pretty much my favourite airlines. Also Airbus A320, like Juliana's other airlines. I just like aviation in general. I like both Boeing and Airbus. It's pretty good. So yeah. I'm intrigued to know, guys, what's your favourite airlines? We're just cruising right now, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much cruising. Seems like it's so flat for me, no failures, nothing. Might be a bit of turbulence as well, so make sure to have seatbelts on. We are about 20,000 studs away from reaching the destination. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, there's different angles for it. There is the wing, left side, right side. It's cool. Okay, we're almost there. Yeah, just about like 15,000 studs away from my destination. I'm gonna have to try butter this landing. I'm not good at landing to be honest. I usually get like smooth. I sometimes get butter, but it's a bit hard. But I'm gonna have to try my best to get butter. I'll try my best for you guys. Okay, I see. Yeah, I see the I can tell. I've played this many times. This is fun. I like this game. To reduce our speed, so we don't go as fast. Flaps down. Or should I do a cockpit? It looks so hard. It's actually hard. I can't get a butter for doing a cockpit, but I don't know. Do we do it? Good. I'll speed up now. I'll have to like make it go around. Alright, gear down. Need to lock in. This approach I can't lie, it's terrible. Anyways, rate my landing guys in the comments after this. I'm praying it's going to be better. Here we go. The moment of truth. Nervous bit. Got a butter. We actually got a butter and spoilers up. Brake. Oh my god. I can't believe we did that. I actually buttered it. What a coincidence. I rarely butter. I usually do smooth ones quite well, but yeah, the other ones are quite hard. Cause I don't really. park out our gate. Okay, nice. We did it. We successfully made it from Doha Hamad Airport all the way here to Princess Juliana Airport. Oh, we did it. We landed successfully and safely. Hope you guys all enjoyed this flight. Comment down below if you guys want to see any more flights, because I'm interested. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.